post there what that was, and they said, well, that is a national historically preserved slab of concrete, and the bullets that are embedded in the concrete. We have our similar challenges with our legislation. We go into that. But the people that work with that, the people that are the citizens here, are a basically group of people, and you can see the effect of that. And we can train them to do whatever you want. When I was doing a project for the BMW plant in
and ladies and gentlemen, lead off the ground in about 156. Look at that beautiful airplane coming in. The way you can tell a Helio from most of the airplanes is by that huge vertical stable range. You just swing it around, give it a little power to arrest the wind to get. Some of it's like scary. Right there. He bounces on all four sides. He begins that short takeoff. What he's showing you the leading edge slack of the wing flaps. They're in. They're out. They're in. They're out. They're in. They're out. As a politician making campaign promises. Aircraft on 73%. The aircraft hangs on its prop and demonstrates what 30 miles an hour looks like in the air. And if we're lucky, the Helio just might stop in midair. He looks like he's doing about 20 miles an hour. David's my airport base. It was restored in 2005. And Mike just puts it down one more time and about good chunk of hard work in today's air show.
Thank you, Nathan. I really appreciate that. We're running around like chickens with our heads cut off, but we're getting it done.
Most of all of you, thanks for your service to our country. We appreciate it.
Thank you. There you go. Ben? Yes, sir.
Why do they call that?
For a pilot like me, when I get above the clouds,